separation agreements, parenting plans, these sorts of things? Is there circumstances where they're not done, they're not needed? Or is it like 100% of the time you've got to go through a parenting plan? If you've got a child, you have to go through a separation agreement if there's a relationship breakdown?
It is highly recommended that you do have a parenting plan, a parenting schedule. It's like a separation agreement. You want to have it even as a common law couple. There will be disputes, there will be conflicts, and this is giving you guys boundaries in your relationship, okay?
Right.
And it's bringing some form of stability for the child and for both of you to move forward. Again, a relationship may have been broken, but there is a relationship to continue for the best interest of the child. And I think that's really the key point here to understand.